Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Let's see which stocks will be trading tomorrow and what's the logic behind it. The first stock is Oro Pharma. If you see Oro Pharma, last time we had given a sell at this point because it was forming this beautiful pattern of high, low, and then this pattern. And then after that, what happened? It again retraced back and it went up. But what happened? It did not break. It was not possible for it to break the high of previous swing high. What happened now? Again it is coming down and it's at this same level. If you see, it is at this same level again. So in tomorrow session, if it breaks this level, it can come down very sharply. So we'll wait for in tomorrow session. If it breaks that 770 level, it can come sharply down. So this will be a sell for tomorrow. Next one is Dr. Reddy's. Dr. Reddy's, if you see, after there was a news over here, if I remember, after the news, it was a good up move. In just 2 days of time, it had given a move of around 20 or 30%, I guess. So then what happened? It was consolidating for a long period of time. It gave a breakout here as expected and then came back again. But from long time, it is trying to go down. It is trying to go below 5,000 level. So now what is happening? If you see, twice it has closed below 5,000 level now. Okay, yesterday it went up, but again it came back and closed below 5,000. So what can happen in tomorrow's session? It can come at least till this 4,850 level, and then maybe if it is trying to go up, it can go. But at least the target for tomorrow is it can go till here. So it can give a quick move for us. Let's see. This will be a sell for tomorrow. Next one is Indigo. Indigo has also formed a beautiful pattern. If you see, it tried to go up, dip, a small dip, and then again it tried to go up. Twice it tried, but it was not possible for it to break the swing high. Again it got a dip, and now it has broken this swing low and closed below 1300. So now it is a very good opportunity to sell. Here, if we sell in a flow, we can get some points here. So for tomorrow, even this is for sell. Now let's see Mindtree. Mindtree has almost given more than 200% return in a very short period of time. If you see from 700, it has almost reached to 1600 point. Okay, now after that, it has given a sharp fall and then again tried to retrace back. Now again a fall. Okay, now when there is a fall at this level, if you see, if it starts falling, this continuation happens because yesterday what happened? It tried to go up. There was a wick, but again today this wick was covered. So in tomorrow's session, the chances are that it will again fall. So we'll plan to sell this. Okay. Next stock is Reliance. Now Reliance is at a very interesting level. If you see, this 2000 level is a psychologically very strong level. Okay, and it has not broken it from very long time. Okay, last time if you see, this high and low was 2003, and then it went again sharply up next day. So what can happen in this session? Today it has made of 2007 low, and then it has closed nearby 2011. Okay, now what can happen? If you see from where it has started falling, from 2300 to 2000 level. Now what can happen? There is no proper profit booking at this stage. So chances are that in tomorrow's session, as there is expiry, they can have a small profit booking. Okay, it can give us 20-30 points very easily. So we have to plan it in that way. So if it can give us a good points in our direction, we'll have a plan on that. So this will be a buying stock for us tomorrow. Okay, let's see what we'll be doing in indexes. So indexes today, what was the plan? If anything goes above in Nifty, it goes above 11,900, or in Nifty 24,800. Or the second was if it opens flat or gap down and it gives a dip, and then if it moves upside, it will be a good opportunity for us. So in Nifty, Bank Nifty, we got already 200 points in one shot. Okay, in first 2 minutes, or sorry, first 3 minutes, we had taken a trade. I'll just show you that, and then we had got a good opportunity there. If you see here, in first, this was the candle where we had taken a trade, and then it gave us a sharp 200 points in a short period of time, and then we booked the profit at this level. And then if you see, it did not go and break that high, so we did not take a trade on the buying side. Okay, because our view was on the buying side, we did not take a trade on the selling side. Okay, now let's see what we can plan tomorrow. In tomorrow's session, there is a support level of 24,000 and 23,900 for Bank Nifty, and 11,600 for 650 for Nifty. Okay, and there is a range. If you see at 15 minutes time frame, there is a range here at 11,800. There is a range that will give 11,650 and 11,800, and then in Bank Nifty 11,000 24,000 to 24,600. So this is the range which Nifty and Bank Nifty should trade tomorrow. If it breaks a range, then it will be really interesting to watch. So this is the plan for tomorrow. If you have understood the logic, please do like the video, subscribe the channel, and also share with your friends. Thank you.